Here is a quick word about the product that we used in this video. This is Peek8 Premium Non-Stick Cookware sold by Home Plus. It is going to be available on Amazon soon. Here is the disclaimer. We got this product for free to try. This is a 3-piece set, but they came in individual packs. The packaging is really nice, and all you need for putting together the product is within the packaging. The cookware comes in small cloth pouches. They are really nice. You can use them for storing them in case of non-use. And it also comes with product care instructions, warranty information in case you need to contact them for any support. All details are there on the cards. This comes with the octagonal shaped lid instead of a round lid, and it has the steaming vent, and the finish is really nice with white coating, and it is a wooden handle. That is very intuitive design. It will not get heated up, and it comes with the screwdriver and the wooden handle as well. This is very clever design. One of the problems is the handles get heated up, but this is nice. So let's quickly assemble it. It's very simple. Once the assembly is done, it feels very light for the shape, and the wooden handle is really good, and the aluminum body looks really nice, and the non-stick coating also looks very high quality. So this is a 10-inch Dutch oven. It comes with the same non-stick coating and with wooden handles. This can be used for making casserole dishes, chilies or soups, and the body also looks very similar in shape. The third item is a 12-inch deep fry pan. It comes with the similar items like the warranty cards, the screwdriver and the wooden handle, and this also looks really good, and this can be used for as a deep fry pan, a stir fry pan for noodles, or for making one-pot dishes like the one that we are going to show in the next video. You can find the product links, the website details and any promo codes the seller offers in the description box below. If you're interested, you can follow them along. Stay tuned for the lunch and dinner recipes that are going to follow. Thank you.